Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post a lot of beauty related videos here on my channel. Today is a special video. We are doing a collab with Alex's Patreons. So happy Valentines. We just wanted to share our Valentine's look with you. We're all doing something different. There's quite a few of us doing this collab, so check out links down below in the description box. However, I was not gonna get this palette, okay? I was just going to leave it on the list and get it when it went on a discount, because I seem to hype on all these Beauty Bay palettes and then they end up in a discount in a few months or a few weeks. It'll be on a 40% offer or a 20% offer, and I was like, I'll just wait. Then I woke up one night because my dog Saf, decided she was going to wake me up 3 nights on a trot at 4 o'clock in the morning, watching Alex's video, and she was using this. And then I was like, love her looks as usual. Then she showed us some swatches of the palette and I was like, I need that palette. And I bought it at like 4 o'clock in the morning. And this is what the front of the palette looks like. And then this is what the inside looks like. It's so pretty. This is their new romance palette. Now obviously, if you have a lot of palettes in your collection, you probably won't need this in addition to other colors, but it is gorgeous. Like, it is proper gorgeous palette, and I just cannot wait to play with this. I'm going to play with a lot of Beauty Bay goodies that I have. I know they've got a priming spray and a setting spray that have come out for £10. I haven't got them just yet. I am going to wait for them to go on a deal, but I have been super impressed with Beauty Bay products. Like, every time something comes out, their blushes, their bronzers, their highlights, their lip liners, their lipsticks, their eyeshadows, I love it. So I'm sure I'll love the setting sprays and the priming sprays. But yeah, let's just start swatching this bad boy for you. It is so soft to swatch. We've got like a banana shade that you probably won't see on my skin tone, but they are very pigmented. That is the first row right there. Very soft, very girly, but definitely the pigment is there. So as you go down the rows, it gets darker and darker. And we've got the next row. Like I said, it's getting darker now, more pink. Definitely a Valentine's palette. This shade is very much me. There's kids playing out because it's been snowing, so you're probably going to hear a lot of screaming. So you got like the top 2 rows that are more pink based, and then the next 2 rows which are more neutral based, which I can really appreciate, because sometimes you don't want to wear pink on Valentine's, you want to go a bit neutral. Ooh, that pink shimmer, did you see that? Wow. Okay, that is the 3rd row, and now we've got the last row. Ooh, the shimmers are swatching nicely. I've heard people say that the shimmers in this are not as great as they have been, but so far the shimmers have been amazing. And then we have the last shade, which is a black, and that is all the shades swatched for you. Must admit, they've all swatched really nicely. The first row isn't as pigmented as the rest because they're paler colours, but like, the pigment's there, guys. Now it's about how they perform on your eyes. Of course, I had to use the Beauty Bay Eye Base in shade 3. I love this stuff. Like, I use this day to day. You've seen me use this in plenty of videos, so it's not like I'm lying. Absolutely love this, and there's so much product in here. The first thing I'm going to do is take ink, which is this black shade, and line my outer corner with that, because I want to go dramatic, guys. It's Valentine's and I've been loving dramatic eye looks, so that's what we're going to do. That has applied very nicely. I had a bit of fallout just because I didn't tap off the extra bits on my brushes, which is fine, it happens. Next shade I feel like I want to go in with is this shade here called Claret, or Claret. I think it's called Claret. This is a PC 22, and I feel like this is perfect for blending out harsh colours. blending out on this side much nicer than this side. Okay, there's drilling going on, there's loud music going on, it's snowing and people think it's summer. Like, what the hell? Then I want to go in with the shade Smoothie to blend this out. I'm sorry if you can hear that. That is just disgusting, that music. You know when it's just, oh, it stopped. Nope, started back up again. And I just want to blend out these edges. Okay, it's very harsh right now, but I promise you when I put some liquid liner on, clean up the edges, I'm hoping it won't be as harsh. I like this side better than I like this side. Shimmer wise, what would I go for? You know what, no, I'm gonna go for this bronzy shade here called Penny. It's a nice putty formula. See how it works. Very crumbly. You're definitely gonna have to build this up, but you know what, I'm gonna wet my brush, and this is the only spray I have next to me. That's better. It's picking the pigment up much nicer. Yep. Oh my god, you have to spray your brushes with these. I agree, not the best shimmer shades that a Beauty Bay palette has had ever. Then I want to blend it out with the shade Mars, which, sorry, is right here. Let me put some liner and lashes on and come back. Pale as usual, but let's bronze up this skin with a bit of Beauty Bay Fawn. Let's go in with Bitten for my cheeks. I love this. Now we need a bit of Beam for our highlight. They need an in-between gold shade that they own right now in their brand. My favourite part, lips. So we're going to go in with the Berry, maybe? We're going to take Pulp. We're going to ombre this with their lipstick in Scrunchy. Then we're going to put a little bit of Petal in the centre. Juicify those lips for Valentine's Day, guys. In a corner, we can go in with the shade Oyster and under the brow bone. For under the eyes, let's go in with Claret. I'm going to keep saying that name wrong. Then I'm going to take Aurora and put this in my waterline. This is the finished look. This is what I would probably wear out to Valentine's Day. Me and my partner were allowed to go out for a meal because that's what we do, meal and cinema. I would totally rock this look. I love it. I'm definitely getting more into like dramatic looks, and you guys really need to go and check my description box and look at all the links. Some people are doing Insta stories, some people might even be doing TikToks, some are doing YouTube videos, so please go and check everyone's videos and pictures and TikToks out. I really hope that you did enjoy this because I absolutely love this. I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the palette quickly. Is that the shimmers, yep, I agree, they do not work as well as the shimmers in the other palettes. That Penny shade for my lid was really hard to work with, yet the inner corner shade worked really well. So yeah, the shimmers are definitely not the best quality that Beauty Bay have come out with, but overall I love this look. Like, the black was so hard to blend out, but like once you've got liner on, you can hide that shit. Like, trust me, you can really hide it. You would never tell that that black was terrible to blend out. I shouldn't have maybe packed on so much. Maybe I should have done it last or something, or differently, but maybe I should blended it out with like a softer brown before I got in with the pink. But it did create like this lovely purple shade, and I love this palette. So please go and check everybody out in Alex's Patreon group, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.